Hello everyone, this is Chris with CreakyUsers.com. On Cyber Monday 2012, we pretty much bought every ZAGG InvisibleSHIELD for every device we still had in our possession. So this is the HTC Desire C, and we're going to go ahead and install a ZAGG. Full body coverage, easy install ZAGG InvisibleSHIELD. So it comes with instructions, a lint-free cloth, a squeegee, and the front and back if you get that kit, and this retails for $24.99 usually. This is what it comes in, the little packaging here. We're going to get the application fluid. Over here we have our device. They're not going to encourage you to spray the device directly, although I do. A lot of these devices can easily handle a little moisture. Of course, I'm going to clean this to the best of my ability so that I don't get anything between the screen and the screen protector that I'll have to wind up looking at every time I turn the device on. I also wash my hands and try to do anything I can to reduce the amount of oil that we'll get on the InvisibleSHIELD. I'll go ahead and spray my fingertips. I'll spray that a little and spray the device just a little bit there. So we'll start with the front. This is the side, obviously, that I have to concentrate the most on. So I'll peel this back, put some application fluid on it. Actually, it says on the instructions to turn the device off as well. So the top's going to have that little bitty cutout right there. Usually make sure that I have enough application fluid on it so that I can move it around after setting it down. Of course, we don't want any part of the ZAGG hanging off the device, and we want the screen completely covered. So get it to where you want it, and then with one hand hold it down, and with the other go ahead and squeegee it. If you happen to get something in between the layers, you're probably going to want to take a sharp object to try to get that out. There is adhesive on the bottom of these ZAGG InvisibleSHIELDs. So you don't want to move that adhesive around, or you'll just make pretty much like swirl marks in your screen. Once you're happy with everything, squeegee it out again. Move on to the back side. Of course, we don't have to be as careful here as we were with the front. Of course, you don't want these parts to come up. If they do, go ahead and poke them out. Use the most difficult feature to center up the InvisibleSHIELD. In this case, it's going to be the speaker port, speakerphone port, and the camera port. You also have this piece at the bottom for the mic. If you have a problem getting this to stick, go ahead and use a blow dryer to apply some heat onto it. But that's basically how you install a ZAGG InvisibleSHIELD onto the HTC Desire C from Cricket Wireless. So for more information about this device and more, please visit my website, cricketusers.com. Like my Facebook page at facebook.com/cricketusers. And like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.